I can tell you from looking at the first ID set that I saw, this has exceeded all of my wildest expectations.
Hutong is another example of Westbuilt's ability to execute a complex project in a challenging environment with an extremely aggressive schedule.
Westbuilt was very careful in making sure that we understood what needed to happen in order to make the timeline. Obviously, there's a lot of coordination that has to happen with the bureaucracies and the permits and the licensing, but then you're also coordinating with MEP, you're coordinating with architects, you're coordinating with the designers. I think Westbuilt was, able to be a bit of a chameleon to make sure that everyone was being heard and that it was very diplomatic in the way that they communicated with everyone.
This project was extremely complex in terms of the material selection by the designers. The location had a major challenge in being in Midtown in a very prestigious building beneath Bloomberg Studios.
Logistically, we had some issues with bringing in some of the larger pieces, like the curved staircase or like the wine cabinets or some of the larger mirror pieces. There's a couple of places that really stand out in the design. The wine cabinet and the wine corridor, that's a really key feature in the restaurant. The bar itself, the mirror ceiling behind the bar, and also the brass screens. But the general overall design of the place, everything really fits together really well, and I think it's a standout design.
We had to coordinate all the furniture to come from Turkey, some of the materials like the wallpapers to come from UK, and then we had to go through this process with the architect and with subcontractors and the vendors.
I've been in this business for over 30 years here in New York City, and to some general contractors, it's just a job. Westbuilt has left their blood, sweat, and tears in this space, and I feel they've taken with them a sense of pride in what they've accomplished, and I know that we'll work together in the future. It's been a great relationship, and I look forward to working with them again.